Welcome to our approval workflow use case. I'm Alex Smith, a business user. The goal is to submit profit and sales adjustments. These changes will then proceed to approval. First, we'll select a few marks from the table. Writeback offers multiple layouts and capabilities. This is just one example workflow. We will click Add Rows. To insert values, I can simply copy-paste. And now, hit Submit. The new records immediately appear in the table. They are currently pending manager approval. Now let's switch to the manager dashboard. Here, I can review submissions from all users, including Alex, Louis, and Sarah. Let's review Alex's requests. I will approve this adjustment and add a comment for context. The decision is recorded immediately. I will reject the other two requests. Writeback makes approval workflows simple and efficient, allowing teams to collaborate directly within Power BI. The updated information is instantly available. Let's return to Alex's dashboard. The manager's decisions and notes are now visible. Approved adjustments are also updated on my table. Create seamless approval workflows with Writeback.